Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a ChatGPT account. So we will just go into the Chrome browser here. Now here you have to just click on the search bar. Here you have to just type ChatGPT, hit the enter, click on the first link. After that, you have to scroll a little bit down, click on the try ChatGPT, then you will be redirected here. Now click on the sign up, and here you will be whenever you want to make an account, click on the sign up and it will load for a few seconds right now. So we will just wait till it here. So here we have to enter the email address, so I will just enter the email address here. If you want to continue with a Google account or Microsoft account, you can do it too. Now here you have to confirm that you are not a robot. Okay, here we have to select the buses to confirm it. Now click on the verify, click on the continue, and here I have to just enter my password, right? So I will just enter the password here. So guys, I have used the same email address before. So if you just enter the password, your account will be made very easily, right? And after that, you can just log in. So this is super easy, and you have to do the same thing whatever you do and try to make the other social media, right? And right now I will show you how you can just log in. Click on the continue. I will just enter the password here. And right now you can see that I'm into the chat GPT. Now I can search whatever I want, I can ask him whatever I want, right? So this is super easy. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.